When you come across a stubborn cleaning job, it's tempting to try and tackle it with every cleaning product you have under your kitchen sink. But mixing certain products can prove harmful and outright dangerous. In this video, we're going to show you 5 common household products you should never mix. Bleach and ammonia. Ammonia are commonly found in glass cleaners and liquid disinfectants. Mixing bleach and ammonia produces a toxic gas called chloramine. Exposure can cause respiratory issues like shortness of breath, coughing, and chest pains. Bleach and rubbing alcohol. Mixing bleach and rubbing alcohol produces a toxic compound called chloroform. Exposure can cause nausea and dizziness. Longer exposures can cause liver damage and potentially cardiac failure. Bleach and vinegar. Mixing bleach and vinegar produces chlorine gas. Exposure can cause burning and watery eyes, skin irritation, and breathing problems. Hydrogen peroxide and vinegar. The combination of hydrogen peroxide and vinegar produces peracetic acid. This mixture is highly corrosive and exposure can irritate the eyes, skin, and respiratory system. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.